Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we will learn why an entire Excel sheet may not appear correctly in the print area and how to fix this issue. Let's get started. Here we have a result sheet that we want to print. If you look at the sheet, the first column starts with names, and the last heading is P and F, which means pass or fail. However, when we try to print it, we may notice that only part of the data appears on the page, while the rest is missing. To fix this, simply go to the File menu and click on Print. Here in Print Preview, you are seeing that only half of the data is visible here simply. To solve this problem, click on Page Setup, which is located on the left side below the preview. The first step is to change the orientation from Portrait to Landscape. Now click OK. After doing this, you will notice that more data is included on the page, but still not all of it. Next, click on Page Setup again. Now we need to adjust the scaling size. For example, set it to 70%. And click OK. This will include even more data on the page, but if some data is still missing, we need to reduce the size again. So once more, go to Page Setup and decrease the size further, for example to 60%. Then click OK. Now you will see that the entire data fits properly on the page. Remember, the exact percentage depends on how much data your sheet contains. The longer the data, the smaller the scaling percentage you may need to set so that everything fits on a single page. This is how you can adjust page setup and print your sheet properly in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.